Number 11, lot S10, is a 1969 Mercury Cougar convertible with a 351 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission, and it's sold for $27,500 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 13,716 miles, and the exterior color is burnt orange, interior color is white, and the convertible top color is white. And the highlights are Windsor 351 cubic inch V8 engine, 4-barrel carburetor, automatic transmission, new wood grain steering wheel, retro style Bluetooth stereo, Magnum 500 wheels, Hideaway headlights, bucket seats, and finned valve covers and air cleaner. And this one was a good looking one in a Cougar color that you don't see too often, the burnt orange with the white top and white interior. Had a real good look to it, especially with the Magnum 500 wheels. It set it off real nice. And this was just a base Cougar convertible. It wasn't an XR7, but definitely was a nice one. That's why it brought a good price, $27,500. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.